the core concepts of Islamic economics. Islamic finance institutions adhere to certain principles that distinguish them from conventional finance. Prohibition of interest. Interest is the hub of the conventional finance industry wheel, which is one of the main reasons that Muslim scholars in the 20th century began to think seriously about the need for an alternative financial system. Western economics defined interest as this excess premium paid by a borrower to a lender over a period of time. Based on the principal amount that was loaned, the Arabic word riba refers to interest in the Islamic finance industry. Riba means to increase, grow, or multiply into more than what is due. Riba is prohibited in Islam because it creates injustice in society, and Islam and social justice are inseparable. In a riba based transaction, the owner of the wealth gets return without making any effort. The person receiving the loan, on the other hand, assumes all the risk related to the success or failure of the underlying economic activity and bears the responsibility of returning to the lender both the capital and the riba, no matter what the outcome of the economic activity will be. From the Islamic point of view, in a riba-based transaction, the lender uses the misfortune of the borrower in order to acquire wealth which is unjust. For these reasons, such a transaction can't be Sharia compliant. The prohibition against riba-based transaction means that Muslims should not take out loans from conventional banks, invest in interest-based products such as conventional certificates of deposit, saving accounts, and bonds, or invest in funds that purchase the equity of firms that promote interest-based projects such as conventional banks. The birth of Islamic finance industry in the second half of the 20th century provided modern Muslims with